Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a process video for you in my junk journal. This is a junk journal that I am filling with photos of my son Magnus. It was a project I started when he was a newborn, and I've just been kind of working on it continuously, just adding in photos. I don't know if I'll switch up the themes or if I'll just keep doing some of my favorite photos of him. So for this one, I have some fun beach photos from here in Santa Cruz. We don't actually go to the beach that often. I don't really enjoy going to the beach personally, but we had a friend visiting, and so we went to the beach, and Magnus did enjoy inspecting the sand and seeing the water and all the things. So I folded down one of the pages in the junk journal, and I'm going to create a pocket with it by securing the sides, and then I'm going to stick down a rather large tag inside it with that photo and some sequins. I'm going to make a shaker pocket eventually here, but for now I am just layering some different scraps with this photo, looking for something that matches this bright blue. So now I'm just securing everything. Here I am. I'm going to tape the edges of that paper so that I can create a pocket, securing everything down, and then I will start working on the tag for inside the pocket. So I have here a clear page protector, and I'm going to cut it down so that it fits in this pocket here, and then I've plugged in my fuse tool, which I am then going to use to make some different sequin pockets. So here I've switched over. I've got my plastic pocket there, and I'm putting in the sequins, and then I am just running the fuse tool across. So I guess I cut out most of that because I thought it wasn't too interesting, and also because I tend to struggle using the fuse tool, and so I perhaps didn't want to put that on video. So I just put the sequins in there and then secured it with the fuse tool, and now I've stuck my photo in there, and I'm just going to close the top with these tabs. And on the back side of that photo, I have a pocket card that I designed. It says California Dreamin'. And now I'm just going to finish up here by including one of these phrase stickers, and then maybe a little ribbon. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.